Hello friends, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm going to explain you what is JSON, and I will also explain you one example of JSON. So let's start the video. So the first thing that we need to understand is the full form of JSON. So the full form of JSON is JavaScript Object Notation, and it has been derived from JavaScript. So it's using the syntax of JavaScript, and it is a file format. Its extension is .json, and it is basically used to share the data from client to server or server to client. So let's say we have one record in our website that we want to share with the server. So the record could be name is John Smith, age is 35, is married, yes, he is married, and what are the hobbies. So if you see this is an object, and we want to send this object into server. So what we do, we convert this object into JSON, and because JSON is a text based file format and it can be sent to a server, so we send this JSON to the server. Now in server, it can easily be consumed by the server, and the machine will parse it. They will understand, okay, this is one record that we need to insert into database. Same way, fetching the data from the server and getting it into client side. In client side, we can create a JavaScript object, and we can just convert this JSON file into JavaScript object, and then we can use our JavaScript coding to manipulate with the data. And although it has been created using JavaScript, but it has been supported by multiple languages, so it is language independent, and it can be used by C, C++, C#, Java, Perl, Python, and many other programming languages as well. Now if we think about how to create a JSON, let's see how to create a JSON. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a JSON. This is a bracket. Okay, now in this object we will create one key, and the name is Rakesh Kumar, age, and then we can write 40. Now the 40 here, we are writing 40, and we are not using double quotes here because 40 is a number. Okay, and again same, I will use is married, and the value could be true or false. I'm writing true, that's true, and then that's it. So let's validate this JSON first and see. So this is a valid JSON. This is how we create a JSON file, and this JSON file can be transmitted to the server as well. Important things to remember here is the key value pair. The key is always a string, so we cannot write like this, so this will give you error. Okay, so you have to put it in double quotes, the key, and this is the value, key value pair, and this is called key value pair. So I hope this video is clear to you and you understand what is JSON and how to write a JSON. We will catch up in the next video with the advantage of JSON.